video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your gadgets. And here today we are going to talk about Lenovo's ThinkPad Yoga 12 out here. Yes, talking about Yoga series. This is a quite flexible series out here. We can say yes, very interesting series, flexible series. Yoga was really an exciting series. And if it comes under the category of ThinkPad, then we can expect a lot of specifications in it. So talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a platform that is an Intel V Pro technology along with a TPM security chip of 1.2. So this is a common thing that we always see in ThinkPad series. Platform might differ as well as the ThinkPad the security system might differ from 1.2 to 2, or the Intel Pro or Intel V Pro technology might be differing out here. But these are the very common things out in ThinkPad series. Now let us specifically talk about Yoga 12, which offers you Intel Core i5 out there with 5th generation and speed of 2.3 gigahertz. Yes, it offers you a Intel Core i5 speed of 2.3 gigahertz. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say that this variant offers you a maximum turbo speed. Yes, it offers you a maximum turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz. So this speed is quite effective and really amazing. That the overall speed or the spin speed out there is 2.3 gigahertz if the maximum turbo speed is 2.9. Offering you dual core system, we can see that it is good operating system with Windows. Yes, the dual core system inbuilt and operating system is Windows along with 64 bytes out there. The cache memory inbuilt in it is approximately 3 MB. So this is quite good, not a bad variant, or good variant out here should be considered. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a featuring of hyper-threading technology, Intel Turbo technology too. Along with that, it offers you integrated memory control. So these could be seen out in this variant too. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant storage interface or the what kind of storage it could be seen, it offers you a serial ATA type storage 600. Apart from that, it offers you SSD cache memory of 16 GB. Yes, 16 GB is the SSD cache memory out here. Apart from that, talking about the RAM quality, RAM type, RAM speed, RAM internal RAM out there, then it has got a good RAM, which is 8 GB. You get to have 8 GB RAM along with 1600 megahertz speed. Yes, the memory rated speed or the memory speed is 1600 megahertz. Along with that, it offers you DDR3L type RAM type. So the RAM type is DDR3L. It also provides you a memory is solidify out there, so the memory is quite good. Along with that, it offers you a memory speed or the memory support size. If you talk about the maximum support size or the maximum type it offers you is 8 GB. So the internal size is the maximum size it could have, that is the 8 GB. So you will not find any much more size out there. Expandability could be done, but not very much. Uh, Talking about this variant, we can say that the screen plays a very important role. So the screen size offered out here is 31.75 centimeters. Diagonally, if you talk about 31.75 centimeter is the screen size. Along with full HD resolution, yes, talking about the resolution, it offers you a full HD resolution along with LED backlight display. So this is very good display outside. LED backlight display could be seen along with a monitor featuring of anti-glance. You get to have anti-glance monitor featuring widescreen is there along with image ratio of approximately 16:9. So this could be seen out here, which is very good. Apart from these things, yoga series is very known or very renowned or we can say popular for the IPS technology. Yes, if we talk about the yoga series, then it has got IPS technology. So overall, talking about this variant, then we can say full HD IPS LED backlight anti-glance display is inbuilt in this with a screen size of 31.75 centimeters. So this is really amazing size of this variant. Along with that, it has got a touch screen of 10 multiple point touch. Yes, 10 multiple point touch could be seen out here along with the Intel HD graphics of 5500. So 5500 Intel HD graphics could be seen out here with an integrated webcam, stereotype speakers, two microphones. So audio input output is really good. Video output is good out here. So overall, it is very good variant out there. Talking about the storage, we can say that it offers a hard drive storage of HDD, offering you 500 GBs. It offers you 500 GB HDD out in the capacity, along with 7200 RPM speed. That is the spindle speed out here, which is 7200 RPM. Along with that, it offers you a track point, ultra nave point, digital pen, digitalization, keyboard out there with multi-touch pad out here. Along with that, it offers you a wireless protocol that is 802.11 Wi-Fi connectivity out there. Along with it, it has got a Wi-Fi or the wireless controller, which is Intel dual base band of wireless AC. No optical drive is seen. Yes, you will not find any DVD writers out there. So optical drive is not seen in this variant. But yes, if you talk about the card reader slottation, hands jack out there, so these can be seen like for multiple card reading out there, USB connectors, these could be seen. Apart from that, battery also plays an important role. And talking about the battery, it offers you approximately 47 volts battery capacity, which works for approximately 8 hours. Yes, this works for approximately 8 hours, so this could be seen out in this variant as well. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing of this version. And talking about the price, let us visit this site, that is just at click.com, because this site offers you great pricing for your gadgets. Amazing pricing, amazing productivity, amazing gadgets. Limited range out there could be searched within few seconds in this search icon. Yes, you can search out your gadgets in this search icon. Talking about this variant, let us type the name of this variant out here. Since we are searching ThinkPad Yoga 12 out here, so let us type about that. It is already here. So talking about Yoga 12 out here, this is a flip design ultra book out there, offering you description box at the starting, at the end also, as well as you get to see that there is a condition in between. You get to see all the specifications about this, not the product specification, but the product listed out here. You get to see that it offers you a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, which we already know that the word refurbished itself means creating something new like. Yes, it means that creating something new like, or creating again something from the old scraps out there. So this can be said that it is something new like product. Actually, refurbished products and the brand new products are quite similar out in structure, functionality, tests out there. Yes, they are quite similar out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the word refurbished, then we can say that refurbished and brand new are actually correlated. Every refurbished product was once a brand new product. Yes, every refurbished product is once a brand new product. And when we say about the brand new products, then we can say that they are the base or they are the sole reason for the refurbished products. Actually, the pathway which it follows is because of that we can say that they are quite correlated out there. Yes, now when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a common pathway followed out, that is the base, mediator, and the consumers out there. This is what is followed out in every aspect: base, mediator, and consumers out there. And when we talk about the base, then we can say that the base out changes every uh, brand out there. Yes, base changes in the brand new and the refurbished product. Now, what is the base? Base is the origin from where that product is brought into the market or to the user out there. Yes, that is the base. And now when we talk about the base, then we can say that in brand new products, the base is nothing else but the company itself. Because it's the company which brings out the product in the market, gadget into the market after testings out there. So these are the things which are included in the base. So base is always the company which brings out the product in the market for only brand new. Now it is in the market. This is the marketplace. This is the mediator out here, bridge out here. Now what happens is that when you have this mediator, out there, you have the marketplace. From here, the main thing starts. Then the consumers have to buy from here, or they can interact from this place. So this is actually what happens in brand new. Yes, this is what happens in brand new out here. And when we talk about this brand new product, then we can say that now the gadget is with the user. This consumer has the product out here. Now this product is known as a pre-owned gadget or is used by the user out here. Now this user becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base and brings out that to the marketplace when that person wants to resell that gadget. Yes, that person wants to resell that gadget. It does not mean that if a company has brought out in the marketplace and the shop or the site is selling, that is not actually refurbished. Refurbished is once our consumer, us users like us, have used that product and want to resell it, then it is called as refurbished product. But before calling it refurbished, it has to be brought in the market or the sites where it has to be tested, verified, so that it is actually absolutely like the company said about that. All the specifications should be that in that phone. So this happens in the refurbished. Then once it is certified that it is good to use, then we bring it to the site and it is resold out here to the new users. You get to see the new users using this gadget out here. So another difference, or we can say the major difference out here, or we can say the difference along with the pathway lies in the testing out there. No, the tests are absolutely same, but what happens is once the gadget is brought in the market, that is a brand new gadget, it has to be tested out. The company itself tests it. But what happens in the refurbished product? The user who wants to resell it brings it to the site or the marketplace out here where it has to be tested before bringing it on that particular site, and the tests are done on that particular site itself. Apart from that, if we tell you about the test, then we are going to discuss about all the parameters. But before that, we are going to tell you what are the major differences. The differences are only lies in the pathway, and that the fact that the gadget or the refurbished gadgets are pre-owned. Otherwise, there is no other difference. The structure is same, the design is same, the functionalities are same. Even the functions and the tests are same for each and every gadget, which are considered as refurbished ones which were brand new. Talking about the testing of these products, then we can say that the tests are also absolutely same, which were included for the brand new gadgets. Talking about the brand new and refurbished gadgets test, it includes the external and internal parameters. There are two different parameters, internal and external parameters. Now the external parameters includes the overall design out there. Yes, overall the design out there, like whether it's keyboard, it's multi-touch pad, mouse control, it's jack system, it's a webcam out here, the scratches out there, display, screen size, whether the logos are properly placed or not out there, even the touch screen is working properly or not. These are the external parameters. Talking about these parameters, we can say that the external parameters are quite important because first thing which comes in our mind was first thing we see in every gadget is the external parameters only, the design, the weight out there, the screen size, the placement of keys, touch screen, everything like the externally which we can see, which does not require any equipment out there. So these are the external parameters. Once it crosses all the external parameters, it is checked, it is verified, then it goes to the internal parameters, which includes the internal components. What are these internal components now? What are the factors which includes the internal components? Now the internal parameters includes the internal components like the CPU it uses, like which kind of processor it is using. Not just the processor, graphical processor out there, the internal processor out there, the speed of that processor, you can say, or you can say the internal capacities out there. Everything has to be checked. Apart from that, the internal RAM, storage, compatibility, portability out there, drives, writers, USB connectors are connecting properly or not, internal connectivity, Even it has to check all the internal parameters like the Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, microphones, the internal apps which it has, like the desktop out there, even the my computers app, like each and every gadget app has to be checked, like all the internal components. Once the components, whether it's internal, external, all the parameters are crossed, it is certified as refurbished or certified refurbished product. What happens if it fails in one parameter, or there is any damage out here? Then it has to be replaced. Yes, if any part is damaged out, then it has to be replaced with the original part out there from the company itself. Then it is considered as a refurbished or renewed product. So overall, if it fails by chance in any parameter, then it is disqualified or it is not brought on the site out there. But if it can be replaced, it can be you can say renewed, then it is done renewable product. So you can get assurance for the good quality product, good service providing out there with that gadget. So overall, it is a good parameters testing out there, which includes in the brand new as well as in refurbished. Now, there are few advantages of having a refurbished product, and one of them is the pocketable rate offering out here. Yes, you get to have a pocketable rate for your gadgets. Usually, what happens is that brand new products are actually expensive, they are quite expensive out here. But once it is considered as refurbished, when it is refurbished, then you can say that they are actually less expensive and are much pocket friendly rates out there. They become pocket friendly out here. Apart from that, this difference in the pricing allows you to have a great savings. Yes, it allows you to have a great savings of great amount out there, which you can invest in your other gadgets too. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty apart from having exchange policy and all. So, if we talk about the pre-owned gadgets, then usually when we buy from any sites without any condition out there, then they do not offer you any warranty period. But what happens with the refurbished product? They offer you 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, these are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy along with it. So these are the few benefits out here, and let us visit the site back to check whether it is offering out there or not. So we were at just at click.com. Yes, we were at just at click.com, and here we are going to see what are all these specifications. You get to have a category of all brand laptops where you get to see a list of brands which offers you great laptops out here. You get to see a search icon as well as a helpline number out here. Along with that, COD is also available out there. Yes, you get to see COD also. Along with that, you get to see that hassle-free shopping can be done out here, because you get to shop and you can pay on COD. Apart from that, it offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, and online support system for 24/7. So, talking about the shipping timing or the shipping hours, because free home delivery hai, COD hai, then shipping hours timing is also important. You get to have 48 hours delivery time in most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi shipping out there. But yes, COD and other factors are included in that. Apart from that, visit our site for best pricing. Description has the link. You can check out the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because here you get all the latest information for your laptops and PCs out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.